How to get a car dealer license in Texas. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. In step number 1, choose the right license type. Most independent dealers go for motor vehicle license, but there are also wholesale, travel, trailer, motorcycle, and other options. Set up your business legally and complete the required dealer education course. You will need proof of your business registration from the Texas Secretary of State. Secure a physical business location that meets its state requirement. It must have a sign with at least 6-inch letters, space for 5 vehicles, and proper zoning approval. Be sure to check the full checklist for creating a permanent business location. Get a Texas auto dealer surety bond. It's currently $50,000, but with good credit, your premium could be just 1 to 3% of that amount. Gather all your documents such as your driver license, e-tag application, business map, and name certificate if needed. Submit your application to the TxDMV by mail, fax, or email. Fee include around $350 for the license and $700 for the general. Distribution number. Once approved, your license is valid for 2 years. Finally registered with ACV Auctions to source inventory easily across Texas with no membership fee. Follow these steps and you will be on your way to become a licensed Texas car dealer. That's it.